can see the baby moving, look. That is so sweet. Welcome to the world, little baby. He's trying to get up under his daddy's bum. Let's see if we can say hi to Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Do you have a beautiful baby? Mommy. Yappy girl. Who has such a beautiful baby. Bye-bye. There's Daddy. Let's look in the nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the baby. There's the 6th egg, and the 7th one is broken. There he is. Look at the yellow feathers. Oh. I don't know if you can hear him peeping. There goes Daddy. Oh, here's your baby. There's your baby. He's trying to climb underneath his daddy. He's cold. Bye-bye, baby and daddy. Bye-bye, baby and daddy bird.